What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. So yesterday we did have a pretty drastic pullback, so we are going to be discussing that and everything that you need to know to be fully up to date. We're going through some news about Lunar Classic and its ramifications of the crash that we saw back in May. We're going to go over the market. As you can see here, it's a little bit seesawy, some red, some green, and of course everything that you need to know to be fully up to date in the world of crypto. With that said, nothing in this video is financial advice, and taking a look at the crypto bubbles. We got Lunar Classic down 12% today. And yes, at the end of the day, this really is just a pullback in an otherwise very strong upward trend. We can see here that since, what's this, the 25th of August, so only around 2 weeks, we'll just start it from there, we saw an increase of 200%. 200%. Absolutely incredible. Anyone who's been watching the channel or even just paying attention to Lunar Classic over the past month or so, if you did get involved in it, you've done very, very well. So congratulations. We speak about taking profits here on the channel. We speak about risk management. We speak about all of that sort of stuff. But either way, we've done very, very well. Now, in yesterday's video, of course, I named the video Crash, and that made people lose their minds in the comment section. But guys, don't be the kind of people that only read the title or only look at the thumbnail. Yes, the price did crash. I used crash in the thumbnail to attract viewers, which it very much did. So don't be the kind of person who only looks at the thumbnail and the title and then comments angrily at me. Watch the content where I clearly said this is just a pullback, or potentially just a pullback in an otherwise upward trend. That's the reason we use these titles, is simply just to get attention. If the YouTube algorithm didn't work like that, we wouldn't need to. And by clicking on the video, by angrily commenting, you're just perpetuating the same thing. So please understand, the reason why YouTubers use these thumbnails is to just get attention, right? If we don't use them, the videos get much less views. We can see here, I can show you the back end. This channel here is a community, right? I'm building this community with you guys. I want this to be a journey that we go together. So I want to show you guys exactly what's going on. And if we check here, look, why crash, right? This just crashed Lunar Classic. That was the name, title, thumbnail, all of that. Ranking by views, 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. This is the best video that I've posted, or the most viewed video that I've posted in the last week or whatever it is, right? So that's the reason. It's not because I think that Lunar Classic is going to zero. It's not because I don't understand what a pullback is. It's simply how the YouTube algorithm works. And hopefully you guys understand where I'm coming from. I'm trying to get views on this channel so I can burn Lunar Classic as a community, right? I'm taking the money that we earn, which is now $1,300, which is absolutely incredible. We're about 5 days off this channel being 1 month of monetization, and we've made $1,300. That is awesome. I'm going to be taking this money and I'm going to be burning Lunar Classic with it, and I'm going to be taking you guys on that journey. And in order to burn more Lunar Classic, we need to get more views. Now, that's simply what this is. Hopefully you guys understand that, you understand where I'm coming from. And like I said, I want this to be a two-way street. I want to have conversations with you. I want to talk to you guys and be completely open and transparent. So that's what's happening there. Anyway, with the price of Terra Classic, we can see down 13% today. Of course, it's natural for the market to come down after such a big pump. We do see the volume here also down 51% at about $900 million. Remember, guys, in order for us to continue with the amount that people want to burn in order to get to 1 cent, 10 cents, $1, all of that sort of stuff, we're going to have to double the volume every time the price doubles. And we've definitely done that. Don't get me wrong. We've definitely doubled the volume in this price double. And if we do double again, we're going to need the volume to double again. That's what we'll hopefully see. The overall market cap now at 1.6, 1.7 billion, which it's pretty incredible for a coin that is otherwise dead. Most people think that this coin is completely dead, but it's not. We made some significant gains. Remember, in my opinion, taking profits and protecting your downside is always a good thing. We also have 7% of the, or 7.6% of the Lunar Classic staked now. We had staking enabled, and that was basically one of the catalysts that caused the price to increase so dramatically. We also have the 1.2% burn tax coming into play over the next 17 or so days. The 20th of September really is that hard date that we've had up until then. Is at some point that's when it's going to get introduced, and this could be another huge catalyst for the market. We also have MEXC Global to support burn tax proposal from Terra Classic community, and they'll launch a time-limited burning event for Lunar Classic and USDT spot trading fees. So might as well check that out. It goes until September 17th. So this isn't them putting in the 1.2% burn permanently on their exchange. This is them just adding a burn for the community, which is great. So you guys should check that out. Awesome stuff there. Over on the Fear and Greed Index, we see a 21 here in extreme fear. We also see some bikinis that you guys can buy, some lovely shoes. Yeah, so if you guys want to check that out, I don't know why it's showing me bikinis. I don't think I wear bikinis. Maybe I do secretly. When I'm asleep, I wear bikinis and it shows me. But we're in extreme fear. Yesterday was less fearful than today. So the market is extremely, extremely scared. If we do check the DXY, what we got today, we're still up there at pretty much highest we've been in a long time. So not great for the overall market. Still below the 200 MA over here on Bitcoin. Historical buying opportunities, in my opinion. Of course, we can go lower. We can go much lower from where we are right now. But I think that this is pretty good for a buying opportunity for Bitcoin, considering we are still pretty much where we were 5 years ago. Look at that. Isn't that amazing how this actually works? We are exactly at the all-time high of 2017, which is pretty incredible. This is a very, very strong level of support here. So hopefully we can hold this. If we don't hold it, the next real strong level is down here around 14,000. So prepare yourself for that. Bitcoin over here, checking out this chart, you can see this is kind of over and redundant as we speak. I'll redraw those lines later on, but as you can see, we're traveling sideways, kind of in this channel now between 20,500 and around 19,500. We've been in this channel now for a few days, maybe even a week, and we are just fighting bulls vs bears. I've not seen any play come in here that I want to get involved in yet, but of course we need to get prepared for our next trades. So the leverage exchange that I'm personally using right now is BitGet. Down there in my description, you can get up to $4,400 worth of bonuses just if you follow that link, which is absolutely insane, right? And right now, you can also do something called copy trading. This is something that I've been testing out here on the platform for about a month now. And as you can see, I'm up $568. That's a 56% increase because I put $1,000 in to test this strategy. Now, something that I suggest doing is doing a lot of research into copy trading before getting involved because there are risks. This is leverage trading. You can get liquidated. It's all the same here, except you're just passively following someone else. Those people can make mistakes, but they can also make you significant gains, as we can see here. So please be safe. But if you want to check this out, the link's down there in the description, and make the best of that bonus that we still have going on right now. Lastly, of course, I want to remind you guys that on the 13th of September, we have the CPI Consumer Price Index information and meeting coming out. So we have exactly 10 days until that date, and that date could affect the market pretty negatively or pretty positively. So we're going to have to wait. With that, you know that this affects the market drastically. So it's going to be a big catalyst coming into the market again. We get it almost every month, and every month we do see a big move. So keep that prepared. Prepare yourself for what's coming next. Congratulations to the holders or the investors of Terra Classic who managed to get in before this pump. Remember, there is always opportunity to protect your downside. No one ever got broke taking profits. That's how I trade. That's my own personal opinion. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.